Dear students, so we have a question over here. Question is two projectile are projected with velocity v or vb at angle theta a from horizontal and theta b with the vertical. Okay, theta a is from the horizontal and theta b with the vertical as shown in the figure, such that va is greater than vb. So that is what given in the question itself. But having the same horizontal component. So va along x is equal to va along y. Sorry, vb along x is equal to VB along X. Okay, so these two are equal. Means we can say VA uh, cos theta A, okay, is equal to VB cos theta B. That's what we can write. So the very next thing is, but having the same horizontal, find which of the following is correct. So the given diagram is something like this. So these are the velocities. This is VA, this is VB, this is theta A, and this is theta B. So if this is theta B, so this should be what? 90 minus theta B, correct? Uh, Theta A is from horizontal. Okay, so let me correct this a little bit. There is a correction involved. This is theta A. Okay, this is theta A and this is theta B. Means theta A is theta A and theta B is actually, so we should not write it like this. A is making, we can say uh, A making theta A with the horizontal, B is making 90 minus theta B with horizontal. So how I can write their horizontal velocities? Both the horizontal components must remain constant, cos theta B dash. So what is cos theta B? Actually it is cos theta 90 minus cos 90 minus theta B. Okay, so from the equations we can write this, that VA cos theta A is equal to VB sine theta B. That's what I can write over here. So that's the equation we are getting. So range, time, height, the relation between them will be what? So as per the question, the time will be 2u sine theta by g. Okay, so for TA it is 2u, means 2v a sine theta a, and for B it is 2 VB sine theta, actually 90 minus theta B upon G. So TB is actually what? 2 VB cos theta B divided by G, that is TB. So the relationship between these two will be what? One thing is clear, that theta is greater than 90 minus theta B. Okay, theta A is greater than 90 minus theta B. Okay, uh, it means we can say that if that is because in the question it is given that velocities, so velocity va is greater than vb, that's given in the question. Okay, so now from this everything we can say that uh, because va is greater than vb and sine theta a sine theta b cos theta b, that's the matter. We need to conclude between these two values. So basically this is 90 minus theta b is like this much, only this much section is 90 minus theta b. Okay, because this entire, actually let me just check it, this is 90, so 90 out of theta b, yeah, this is 90 minus theta b, so it is definitely smaller, theta is bigger. Suppose I am considering, just for instance, that it is 60 and this is 90 minus 60, that is, suppose this is 30. Okay, just I'm considering that. In that case, if you solve for this So sine of 60 will be what? Sine of 60 will be root 3 by 2, and cos of 60 will be what? Cos of 60 is half. So definitely this will be greater. 1.7 by 2, no, it is actually 0.28 is 16, 2 5 is 2 5 is 10, and this is 0.5. Definitely ta is greater than tb, we can say that ta is greater than tb. So option A is correct. Let me check with the next option, that is range. 2 by g u x uy, or we can simply say that v square by g sine 2 theta, sine 2 theta a for a, and va square for b, it is vb square by g, and sine of twice of 90 minus theta b. Okay, we can write this as vb square by g sine of 180 minus theta b. Okay, what is sine of 180 minus theta b? Sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So this is 0. Cos 180 is minus 1, minus minus becomes plus. So this become actually plus of sine theta b. Okay, so this is simply sine theta b, vb square by g sine theta b. Again we have considered theta a to be 60. If that is 60, so 60 sine 120 is what? If you solve for sine 120, so it is simply, we can say, the sine of 120 degree is basically point 0.85, approximately root 3 by 2. Okay, sine of 120, same formula, sine of is equal to sine of 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So this is root 3 by 2 approximately, means 0.85. And this is sine of 30. Sine 30 is half. So definitely range A will be greater than range B. Okay, range A is greater than range B. So option number C is correct as well. Let's check the height. HA will be what? U square sine square theta uh, by 2g, and HB is how much? VB square by 2g, and sine square 90 minus theta b. In the same manner, we can say again that HA is greater than HB. So ABC both are correct. Hope this answered your question. Thank you very much.